Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Lisa. This is Our Life on a Dime. Today we're at Aldi's. We're going to see what we can pick up, a couple of things, and we'll be right back. Alrighty friends, so I just got back from Aldi's and let's see what we got. Today I tried hard to find things that were healthy, but I kind of went unprepared. I didn't have a shopping list or anything like that, so I spent a little bit more than I wanted to, but I still think I did pretty good. So leave a comment down below if you think I did okay. Alrighty guys, so we have a little bit of stuff for me because I'm trying to lose weight, and then I have stuff for my husband who's not trying to lose weight, so I don't want to put him on a diet, so we got a little bit of both. So here's some bread for him for his cold cut sandwiches, the honey wheat. I ended up getting these protein shakes. These are really good. I had 2 of these last week and they're great. I don't use them as a meal replacement. What I'm doing is, because I am dropping my calories down so low for me, because I'm 5'8" and unfortunately I hit the 200 mark on the scale. I put myself to 1,200 calories per day and it's almost like starvation. I don't know how anybody else can, does their dieting or whatever, but I am really cutting back. So I notice at nighttime is when it's the worst, when I'm sitting doing nothing, watching TV or on the computer. I literally I feel like I'm starving to death. So what I did with these is, during the week when I am, I've already had my dinner and whatnot, if I'm still starving at like 10 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night, I know this is the wrong way to do it, but because it's protein shake and it makes you feel full, it's 160 calories, and because of me being such a big girl, 160 calories is really nothing. So I've been doing that at night and it kind of keeps me full, until the morning time or whatever. Probably not the best way to do it. I did see this time when I was in Aldi, they had these protein shakes and they also had meal replacement shakes, and I kind of was looking at them trying to see the difference, and this has more protein in it, so that's really what I need something to make me feel full. So that's why I ended up getting these. So if you guys have tried the other ones, please leave a comment down below and let me know which ones you guys liked better and which ones help you feel fuller and satiated, I guess they call it, during the day. So yeah, like I said, I only did it twice. I had bought 4 last week and I only had 2, but they came in very handy. Like I said, 160 calories is really a drop in the bucket for me. But being that I'm trying to do 1,200 calories, that's a big change. Okay, these are for hubby. He wanted some pretzels, and these won't be too terrible if I feel like I want to have 1 or 2 of them. So he got these pretzels. And I got this for me, the light ranch. We have the regular ranch for my husband, and that's a lot more calories, so this will be good for me. 80 calories, ranch dressing. And I think I really blew my budget this week is because I needed coffee, and coffee is expensive. So I got 2 of these big boxes of coffee, and between two of the boxes came to $23. So it's not cheap by any means, but the last shopping haul I did where I stayed around $100, I didn't need to get the coffee, so this week I did. So that's why I feel like my total is a little bit higher than I wanted it, but it is what it is. I think it's still pretty good. Anyway, so we got some more parchment paper. We've been going through that quite a bit. Got some more baby spinach. This is for me during the week. I'm going to make some wraps with some veggies. So I got some organic baby spinach. I have sliced mushrooms. I was out of pepper, so we got some black peppercorns. We got some bananas. Those will be good. This is for me. These are, I was looking for keto. I've seen people get keto wraps at Aldi's, but our store did not have them. So the next best thing was the Extreme Wellness High Fiber, carb friendly. And these were only 60 calories. And the other ones that I was getting were 200 calories per tortilla. So this is going to be a big difference for me. And like I said, I'm going to be using these during the week to fill with veggies. And maybe some rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna make some chicken this week. Got some more avocados. We love our avocados. And this is a shout out to Kathy G. She had mentioned in my last video, she wasn't sure if I had gotten the organic. They make it so small, they shouldn't. They should advertise that, but these are organic. So thank you, Kathy G, for pointing that out. Strawberries are on the bottom of the barrel for the dirty dozen. So we did get organic. So thank you, Kathy G. And got these for hubby sandwiches. This is smoked cheddar. He says, oh, I wanted provolone. So I thought he would have liked that one better, but he would have rather preferred provolone or Swiss. So now I know for next time. Got some organic blueberries. I'm going to put this in the cottage cheese as well with the strawberries. This is fully cooked bacon slices. This is for if the guys want to make a quick BLT. This will come in handy. Fully cooked bacon. And then hubby got this one here. He thought maybe I would like this one. Sundried tomato wraps. Let's see how many calories are in this one. Say 200 calories. That's a big difference. So he'll be eating these versus 60 calories. So these are super soft too, I noticed. All right, so then he got those. Then we got some of the normal cold cuts that we get every time we go. I only got 2 because now that I'm doing shopping every week or whenever I can, we still have a package of each of these still in the fridge. So this will be for lunches for him and my son if he wants some. Then I got some real bacon bits. This is for salad. I'm gonna put this with hard-boiled egg and mushrooms. And we got some rice. I wanted a big bag of brown rice, but they didn't have it. They only had a bigger bag of the white rice. So what I did was, because we feed our dogs rice with their dinner, with the ground turkey and stuff like that, they will be eating most of the white rice, but I figured even if I blended them and did it like a mix of the brown basmati rice and the white rice, that'll be good for a rice bowl. What else do we have? I went and put this down. I was getting the regular, I think it was 2% cottage cheese, so now we're at the low-fat cottage cheese, and the calories was a pretty big difference too, so I'll save calories there. Hear it thundering out there. Then I got some olive hummus. Got that. I got regular 2% milk. I'm going to give this a try over the lactose-free 2% milk because this milk was $1.61 versus the lactose-free is $3.21. So I'm going to see if my stomach will handle that, because we've been putting that in the coffee in the morning. All right, guys, and we got our 5 bags of the steamed mixed vegetables. Like I said, we absolutely love these vegetables. I kind of put them in everything. Then I got 4 bags of carrots. Some of them the dogs will be eating, but I'm going to be slicing some of these up and making like carrot sticks for us for the hummus. Then got some more of the Mandarin oranges. These are a lifesaver for me because when I really feel like I need something like sweet or whatever, I'll have these and they're perfect. So because I eat so much of them, and they're a good source of vitamin C, because I stopped buying orange juice because orange juice is so dang expensive right now. I figured that would be a good source of vitamin C for us. I got some garlic and herb seasoned chicken breast. These are going to be for a couple of nights' dinners. And then I got, well, hubby picked these out, crispy chicken nuggets. These are more so for if he just wants to throw something in the microwave and he doesn't feel like cooking a lengthy dinner and just wants something quick. That's for him. These are my guilty pleasures. These are, I think I've already told you guys, 220 calories a bar, and it's easy to break them up, break them up, and you can have 110 calories on a half of one of these, and it's great for if you just want to have a quick little treat. I was looking for pork shoulder loin. Usually they have them already seasoned and they're very reasonable usually like 5 something at Aldi's. They were completely sold out. So what I did was I picked this here. It's a pork center cut loin fillet. And how much was this? $4.66. So that's not too bad, right? And then we got 2 packages of the organic, the Simply Nature, the grass-fed ground beef. It's 85% lean. They do have ones that are like 90 something percent lean, but I figured this is 85% lean, and it's a $2, at least $2 difference between the two. So these were $5 and change versus $7 and change. So this is economically a better deal, and it's not that big of a difference as far as the leanness of it. And we are enjoying having these. These are the spinach and feta chicken sausages, the never any nitrates and all that good stuff that we always talk about. So these have been coming, these are really handy if you don't really feel like cooking and you just want to whip something together. You just slice this up and it's perfect. And then last but not least, I got some of the cotton candy grapes. I have not bought grapes in a while because we've been getting them for, I think the last one I got was from the food pantry. So, but these cotton candy ones, I wanted to get those because they're usually very good. And let's see, that should be everything. So how much do you think I spent? Now keep in mind, don't mind my mail bin back there. I've been working all week. Where was I? Okay. Senior moment. Sorry about that. See how easily distracted I am? Oh my goodness. Okay, so how much do you think I spent? Last week I think I spent close to 120, but I didn't have coffee in my shopping. So this is what we got. And here is my list, or my receipt. Yeah, see, the ground beef was $5.49, and the other one that's 90 something, 92%, was like $7.19 or something. So I just couldn't justify that. And my big spend this week was for the coffee. And we spent $148.15, guys. So how do you think I did? Do you think I did okay? Let me see how many proteins I got. Not that I'm going to eat this, but in case I want to have like a veggie wrap or something. We got 1. This is enough for at least 2 dinners. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So perfect. I got enough for the entire week. I got enough proteins and enough veggies, and I got plenty of rice. So we are set, guys. We are set. So leave a comment down below what you guys get in your Aldi to try and save money? Is there anything that you would recommend that I should pick up for not only to save money, but also that is lower in calories? I'd appreciate it because I don't usually diet. Usually when I diet, I end up gaining weight because I'm focusing on the calories so much that it's on my mind all the time that it makes me hungry. Am I the only one that happens to? I don't know. The more I count calories and weigh myself, I usually don't do so well. But so far, I've been doing this for a little bit, and I'm doing really well. So I want to continue with it. But I wouldn't mind a couple suggestions. If you guys have any suggestions, just let me know down in the comments down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and stay blessed.